Hey guys, have you ever wondered which generation you belong to? Today, I'm breaking it down for you. From the silent generation to Generation Alpha, let's find out where you fit in. First up, the silent generation. If you were born between 1928 and 1945, you're part of this group. They've seen it all. The Great Depression, World War II, and the rise of rock and roll. Pretty cool, right? Next, we have the baby boomers, born between 1946 and 1964. This generation experienced the post-war boom, the civil rights movement, and the moon landing. If your parents are always talking about Woodstock, they're probably boomers. Then there's Generation X. These folks were born between 1965 and 1980. They grew up with MTV, the rise of personal computers, and the grunge movement. If you love 80s movies, you might be a Gen Xer at heart. Now let's talk about Millennials, also known as Generation Y. Born between 1981 and 1996, this generation came of age during the internet explosion and the rise of social media. If you remember dial-up internet, you're definitely a millennial. Generation Z follows, born between 1997 and 2012. These digital natives have never known a world without smartphones and social media. If you're always on TikTok, you're likely Gen Z. Last but not least, we have Generation Alpha, born from 2013 onwards. This group is just getting started. They're growing up in a world dominated by technology and innovation. So, which generation are you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you next time.